Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Lunc, that is Luna Classic, and its current price here on TradingView stands at the $0.000310 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.4%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out based on my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart my analysis here on the daily chart, and the data source that I'll be using is KuCoin. Here on the Lunc chart, you can see from the low prices down here, we had been moving up in this Elliot wave structure, having our wave 5 taking us back to around the $0.00059 mark, and after making the high for that 5th wave to the upside, we can name that Elliot wave structure over here as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So having completed that 5 wave structure to the upside, we can name it as a higher Elliot wave count 1, and after making that high, we are seeing a bit of a retracement over here to the lower side, and maybe this might be our wave 2 over here. We can name it as a higher Elliot wave count 2, and within our wave 2 we also expect to see a corrective movement, which I believe we are seeing over here, having this as the wave A. Then we saw a wave B, then we continued pushing lower in the formation of a wave C, and using the Fibonacci's, we can get a minimum target area for that retracement over here to the lower side by just connecting the fibs from down here to that high that we made up there in the formation of an Elliot wave structure to the upside in a wave 5, and that gives me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 as a minimum, and I can draw that target area here on the charts like that, and you can see we retraced into that target area in the formation of a wave C. We even maximized it and broke out of that target area, but at the key area of support at around the $0.00024 mark, we got support, and we are seeing a bit of a pump over here in what might be forming a third wave to the upside. So whatever we are seeing over here might be what might be forming a higher Elliot wave count 3, and because within an Elliot wave count 3, which is a impulsive movement, we also expect to see a fractal wave in formation, and I believe we have started to see that movement right here, having this as the wave 1. So drawing out the Elliot wave structure over here, we can have this as the wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2, a wave 3, then we saw a wave 4, and I'm expecting a bit of a pump to make a high above the high for that third wave in the formation of a wave 5, and once we see that formation to the upside, we can name that as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So in case that happens, we can come here and name this as a higher Elliot wave count 1. So we can have this as a higher Elliot wave count 1, and once we see that movement to the upside in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1, then we can expect lower prices here on the charts in the formation of a third wave, and also using a trend based Fibonacci, we can get a target area for that 5th wave to the upside, and I just need to use the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that first wave, then dragging the fibs to the high of the third wave, so that 5th wave to the upside can either travel to the fib level 1, that is the fib level 1 100%, that is at around the $0.000399 mark, and in case we manage to break above that fib level and continue pushing higher, I would expect us to do a maximum of the fib level $0.000439 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also having a target area for that third wave, because we have seen the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 and also the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2 over here. We can use the trend based Fibonacci's to get a target area for that third wave to the upside, and I just need to connect the fibs from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that first wave, then drag the fibs to the low that we made down here at around the $0.00024 mark, and that gives me a minimum target area for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.001 $1 mark, and that means in case we continue pushing higher in the formation of a third wave, it's possible that Lunc might be dropping 1-0 by pushing higher to the fib level 1.618 in the formation of a third wave, and I can mark that target area here on the charts for references. That is at around the $0.001 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.